Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Lessons. I'm so happy you're here today.
Hi, friends. We're excited to learn with you.
Today, we have a very useful lesson. Have you ever felt nervous at a restaurant? Maybe you didn't know what to say?
Yes, I remember my first time. I was so scared.
Don't worry. After today's lesson, you will feel confident. You will order food like a native speaker.
That's right. It's easier than you think.
Today, we're learning ordering food at a restaurant. Are you ready?
Let's begin.
First, let's learn some important words. Listen carefully.
Yes, these words are very useful.
Word number 1, menu. The menu is the paper with all the food choices.
M-E-N-U. Menu. Can I see the menu, please?
Perfect. Word number 2, order. When you order, you tell the waiter what food you want.
Order. I want to order pizza.
Great. Word number 3, waiter or waitress. This is the person who helps you at the restaurant.
The waiter is very friendly today.
Excellent. Word number 4, appetizer. This is a small dish before the main food.
Appetizer. Appetizer. I'll have soup as an appetizer.
Very good. Word number 5, main course. This is your big meal, your main food.
For my main course, I want chicken.
Perfect. Word number 6, dessert. This is something sweet after your meal, like cake or ice cream.
Dessert is my favorite. I love chocolate cake.
Me too. Word number 7, check or bill. This is the paper that shows how much money you need to pay.
Can we have the check, please?
Wonderful. Word number 8, tip. This is extra money you give to the waiter for good service.
In America, people usually tip 15 to 20%.
That's right. Now, let's use these words in a real conversation. Now, let's practice. I will be the customer. You will be the waiter.
Sounds good. Welcome to our restaurant.
Thank you. Can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you are. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. I'll have water with lemon.
Perfect. Are you ready to order?
Not yet. I need a few more minutes, please.
No problem. Take your time.
Okay, I'm ready now. I'd like the tomato soup as an appetizer.
Great choice. And for your main course?
I'll have the grilled chicken with vegetables, please.
How would you like your chicken? Grilled or fried?
Grilled, please.
Excellent. Anything else?
Yes, can I have a side salad instead of fries?
Of course. No problem.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Your food will be ready soon.
Great. Now let's switch. You be the customer. I'll be the waiter.
Okay. Excuse me, waiter?
Yes, how can I help you?
I'd like to order dessert, please.
Sure. What would you like?
What do you recommend?
Our chocolate cake is very popular. So is the apple pie.
The apple pie sounds good. I'll have that, please.
Would you like ice cream with it?
Yes, please. Vanilla ice cream.
Perfect. Anything to drink?
Just coffee, please. Black, no sugar.
Coming right up.
Thank you. And can I have the check when you have time?
Of course. I'll bring it with your dessert.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your meal. Now it's time to practice. Listen to each sentence, then say it out loud with me.
Don't be shy. Practice makes perfect.
Ready? Let's start. Sentence 1. Can I see the menu, please?
Can I see the menu, please?
Sentence 2. I'd like to order now.
I'd like to order now.
Sentence 3. I'll have the chicken, please.
I'll have the chicken, please.
Sentence 4. How much is this dish?
How much is this dish?
Sentence 5. Can I have water, please?
Can I have water, please?
Sentence 6. What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Sentence 7. I'm allergic to nuts.
I'm allergic to nuts.
Sentence 8. This looks delicious.
This looks delicious.
Sentence 9. Can we have the check, please?
Can we have the check, please?
Sentence 10. Thank you for the wonderful meal.
Thank you for the wonderful meal.
Excellent work. Now let's practice some questions. Question 1. Is this spicy?
Is this spicy?
Question 2. Does this have meat?
Does this have meat?
Question 3. Can I change my order?
Can I change my order?
Question 4. Where is the restroom?
Where is the restroom?
Question 5. Do you accept credit cards?
Do you accept credit cards?
Wonderful. You're doing so well.
Now, let me give you a very helpful listening tip.
This is important. Listen carefully.
At restaurants, waiters speak quickly sometimes. Don't worry, you can always ask them to repeat.
Yes, it's okay to say, "Sorry, can you repeat that, please?"
Exactly. Or you can say, "Could you speak more slowly, please?"
Nobody will be angry. They want to help you.
That's right. Here's another tip. If you don't understand a word on the menu, point to it.
Yes, you can say, "What is this?" and point.
Perfect. Also, listen for key words. You don't need to understand every single word.
Right. Listen for words like chicken, beef, fish, vegetables, rice, pasta.
Excellent. And remember, body language helps too. Smile and make eye contact.
Yes, this shows you're confident and friendly.
One more thing. Many restaurants have pictures on the menu. This makes ordering much easier.
So true. Pictures are very helpful.
Great! Now you have all the tools you need. Wow, we learned so much today.
You did an amazing job.
Let's review quickly. Today, we learned vocabulary about restaurants, we practiced conversations, and we learned listening tips.
Now you can go to any restaurant with confidence.
Remember, making mistakes is okay. Every mistake helps you learn.
Yes, native speakers make mistakes too. Don't be afraid.
The most important thing is to practice. Go to a restaurant this week and try.
Start small. Just order a drink or a simple meal.
Exactly. You're doing great. We're so proud of you.
Keep learning. Keep practicing. You can do this.
Thank you for joining us today on Easy English Lessons. Please subscribe and share this podcast with your friends.
See you in the next lesson. Good luck and happy learning.
Goodbye, everyone. Remember, you are amazing.
Goodbye. Keep practicing.